Hello and welcome to Adirondack Astronomy. So currently I have the nebula M16, also known as the Eagle Nebula, in the constellation Serpens. So we're going to have a quick look at where that is in the sky on Stellarium, and then we'll get on with the sketch. M16, also known as the Eagle Nebula, which is also famous for those lovely images you may have seen referred to as the Pillars of Creation, can be found in the constellation Serpens, just north of Sagittarius and west of Scutum. The entire Eagle Nebula spans 70 by 55 light-years, and the Pillars of Creation takes up a much smaller area of 4 or 5 light-years and is roughly 7,000 light-years from Earth with an apparent magnitude of 6. M16 is an open cluster region with some quite obvious nebula, especially in dark skies. The aptly named Pillars of Creation, among other parts of the nebula, boasts an active star-forming region within the dark areas of the nebula, which are filled with interstellar hydrogen gas and dust, which helps form the new stars. Now that we know where we're looking in the sky, it's time to look through the eyepiece and start sketching. So for this sketch, I went through and off the start and marked off all the details for the object, the time, the date, all that good stuff, and then I went around and marked the field stars around the outside edge of the eyepiece. And then I made my way in towards the center, marking off some of the brighter stars and the dimmer stars of the open cluster of M16. And then I'm going to take the kneaded eraser and kind of dim some of those stars, give it a little more depth. And then after that, I'm going to use the white pastel pencil off to the side and dip the blending stump in it and start marking off all the nebulosity of M16. A lot of the brighter stars, I could see a little faint hints of nebula, so I went through and I marked that off, and then I just kind of did a few final touch-ups, and that's it for the sketch. Here we have the final sketch. I took an image with a point-and-shoot camera and brought that into GIMP. Then I just created the eyepiece view that you see here and put in all the details. I used my 8-inch SCT with a 0.63x reducer. I used my 24mm eyepiece and an Orion Ultrablock filter to help bring out the nebulosity. I did try to do this sketch the previous night without the filter, and I was unable to see any nebulosity. Towards the south where this nebula is, I have a lot of light pollution, so it was very difficult to pull out any detail without the filter, and even that only helped so much. But anyway, that is the final sketch. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed, please click the like button and subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this in the future. And I will see you on the next video. Clear skies.